Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I want to talk about the battery life on Galaxy Watch Ultra and how you can improve it. The thing is that Galaxy Watch Ultra does come with a big battery pack as compared to Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, but that battery capacity does not translate into the battery life that it should have. So in this video I want to talk about two hidden settings on this watch that you can actually turn off to improve the battery life. So let's talk about that. The first thing is you need to go in Samsung Health app, then scroll all the way down and you will find steps. Go in here, scroll down, and it will tell you to show on phone. So tap on this. Now the reason why I'm doing this through the watch is because it's just easier. Now this takes you to the Samsung Health app on your phone and it opens up the steps section. So here all you have to do is tap on the three-dot menu and then tap on frequent syncing. And here you will see that it is turned on by default. But below this, if you read, it says sync steps more often to keep the counts the same on your watch and phone, but it uses more watch battery. So it syncs the steps between the watch and the phone more oftenly so that they match on both the devices, but it also uses more watch's battery. So you can turn it off and that will hopefully improve the battery life on your Galaxy Watch Ultra. And the second hidden feature that not many people know about is actually in the battery saving feature on this watch. So if we go in settings, scroll down and go in battery, and here you will see this power saving option and it's turned off right now, and it tells you what it does when you turn it on. But below that you will see this option. This is a new option and it's called limit health features. So if you go in here, you can read about it. So when you turn on the power saving, the feature below are turned off to save even more battery. So if you turn this feature on and then you turn on the power saving mode from here, what it will do is that it will also turn off workout auto detection, high and low heart rate alerts, background heart rate, HRV, stress, skin temperature, and blood oxygen measurements. Movement and respiration aren't measured during sleep and your sleep score won't be calculated. Your bedtime and wake up time will still be recorded. So if you turn this feature on, it will limit all of these features as well to further save battery life on your watch, and you will get better battery life when you will turn on the power saving mode. So that's about it from this video guys. Let me know if you guys are using any specific tips and tricks to improve the battery life on your watch. And for more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.